With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that if Earth be 1/2 of the present distance from the Sun, then how many days will be 1 year? Okay, so basically I'll explain you what is 1/2 firstly. Okay, 1/2 is not 1/2. It is 1/2. Okay, let's suppose this is the Sun and Earth is at a distance of what? Earth is at a distance of, let's suppose, R. Okay, so this is basically Earth. Okay, so the new Earth means new distance will become what? It will become this. Okay, it will be greater than R. It will become what? It will become R plus R/2 because it is 1/2 means 1/2. Okay, that means what? This will become what? This will become 3/2R. Okay, so this is basically the new distance. Okay, so from Kepler's law, okay, so we know from Kepler's law that the time period or the time required for a planet to revolve around the thing around the sun square is directly proportional to the radius cube. Okay, this is the thing. So if we take two cases from here, okay, since this is a proportionality, we can take two cases from here and write T1 by T2 whole square must be equal to R1 upon R2 whole cube. Okay, this is what it will come out to be. So basically we have T1 because T1 is what? T1 is the present time period of the Earth. T1 is equal to 365 days. Okay, and basically R1 is equal to radius of Earth, which is basically R only. Let's consider it R. Okay, and what is R2? R2 is basically 3/2 into R. Okay, so now what we'll do, we are going to put it everything in this equation. So what we're going to get, we are going to get T1 is equal to 365 divided by T2 squared is equal to R1 will be what? R1 will be R divided by 3/2 into R. Okay, whole cube. Okay, so if you see over here, if we cube it, means R will be left. So what we will have 365 divided by T square, which will be equal to under root of this 2 will go up and 3 will remain down, and cubed will be 8/27. If you see, 2 cube is basically what? 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Okay, so this is what I have written. So basically if you see over here now, T2 will come out to be what? It will be under root of 27/8 into 365. Okay, so this will be nearly equal to 670.5 days. Okay, so our answer will be what? Our answer will be 670, which is not given in the options, means this must be a bonus answer. Our answer will be 670 days. Okay, so this is basically our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.